Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. My name is Mansi and I create content related to beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you're interested in all sort of a genre, please do consider subscribe to our channel. आज का वीडियो होने वाला है one brand skincare review which is about the Conscious Chemist. This is an Indian skincare brand and it does produce a lot of good products in terms of skincare. If you want to know more about this brand, let's get into the video. What a wonderful Let's talk about the brand first. Conscious Chemist is an Indian skincare brand. It produces the cruelty-free vegan product and which is a fragrance-free, which is very important for a lot of people who have a sensitive skin type. It is focused on a sustainable packaging. Most of their packaging are a glass bottle, so you do not need to worry about their biodegradability and all. So this is the brand for you. They do have a lot of products, but I have tried quite a few products from my side. So let's begin with the product first. The first product is this one. This is how the first product looks like. This is their facial cleanser. I have been using this quite few times and I really like it. You do get a cardboard packaging like in green and white color. This sort of a packaging you will find in their all of start to end products. This is a very common standard packaging they have. The ingredient list is mentioned here and obviously this is a very important thing which is mentioned. No sulfate, no silicone, no paraben, cruelty free, sustainable packaging and no artificial fragrance. It is mentioned like what it claims, what it does, and at the same time how to use it, when to use it, what is the ingredient list, everything is mentioned on the packaging. The packaging is really nice. Inside the cardboard packaging you get this sort of a jar right here. Because of it is a facial cleanser, you get this pump right here and you get this protected cap which will help you not to spill the product. This is a glass packaging which is a very sustainable packaging. This is how the packaging looks like. It's really calming cleanser, I will call it. The ingredient list of this particular products are really interesting. It does come with the hemp seed which is very good humectant which helps you to retain the moisture in your body. It does contain a matcha tea as an ingredient which is very good for antioxidant. It will help you to reduce the radicals from your skin and which will help you to pump boost up your skin. So if you have suffering from any acne sort of situation, this is a face wash for you guys. बिकॉज ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा कामिंग फेस वॉश है, नो नॉनसेंस फेस वॉश है. ये आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा मॉइस्चराइज करेगा आपके फेस को, आपके फेस से पूरा मॉइस्चर रिमूव नहीं करेगा एट एनी कॉस्ट. सो इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग लाइक दैट, डेफिनेटली गो एंड ग्रैब दिस. ये बिल्कुल भी फोमिंग फेस वॉश नहीं है, सो कीप दैट इन माइंड. इट डज नॉट कंटेन एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ अ सल्फेट, सो इट विल नॉट फोम अप एट ऑल. सो यू हैव टू कीप दैट इन माइंड व्हेन यू आर परचेसिंग इट. बट इट इज लिटरली लाइक अ मॉइस्चराइजर इन अ बॉटल इन टर्म्स ऑफ फेस वॉश. इट्स really good. It's very calming. It will not irritate your skin. I really like this. You get a pump packaging which is very convenient. Obviously the glass packaging, so you have to be very careful. Yes, it is not very handy, but yes, it is biodegradable definitely. So definitely grab this up if you're looking for something like that. Conscious Chemist के products थोड़े बहुत expensive है, I'm not gonna deny, but the ingredient list is very promising and it is really worth. The face wash retails for 875 rupees, but you do get this face wash and they do run some offers on their site and it is available on Nykaa, so you can definitely grab this under the sale. This is a face wash for you guys. Next product which I have tried from them is this one. This is again their facial cream. It again comes with the same packaging and ingredient list almost similar hai. You get a hyaluronic acid which is a natural hydrator for your skin. It will bump up your skin. You get a hemp seed oil, you get a matcha tea, and again you get a grapefruit oil. All of these ingredients are really good for moisturizing your skin to keep it pumped and retain the moisture in the place. So that's the one which is it. You again get a pump and this is the consistency of the moisturizer right here. It's a really good moisturizer guys. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा calming है. It really absorbs in your skin right very instantly, which is I really like. I always try to use this before my makeup. That's how it works best for me. I have almost finished this up. It's already empty. It's not there at all. I have used the most product is this one. I really liked it. Obviously I have used their body wash. This is already similar kind of a packaging, but it is already over. If you are from a dry skin type, this is a kind of a skincare which you should use, or otherwise you have some irritated skin, this is a skincare which you should definitely use. It will not irritate your skin, at the same time it will calm down and it will provide the right amount of nourishing to your skin. If you are looking for something like that, definitely grab these three products for you. It will work like a magic. Next product which I tried from the Conscious Chemist is their Prology toner. This is how the toner looks like. This is their packaging right here. It is a very good formula, and I feel like this is no harmful toners, no, it's non-comedogenic, fragrance free, and it is very good ingredient list. It is an AHA toner, and it is come with a very unique formula of a kombucha fragment which is very good and Rachel has. I don't think so मैंने ऐसे ingredients कभी भी AHA toners में specifically when it comes to AHA toner मैंने कभी देखे हैं. This is how the toner looks like from inside. You can see मैंने बहुत ही अच्छे amount तक इधर तक use कर लिया है. I really like it, but I will not call it. It is really not somehow effective in terms of pores. So it is known for shrinking the pores. That's what they claim. At least it is formulated for shrinking your pores and something like that. But I don't see a pore difference as a toner. If it works, yes, it does. This one does have a very interesting ingredient list. That's the reason I bought it. It comes with a kombucha extract and hazel extract, which is very good. And when it comes to AHA also, it is there. So if you are looking for something like that, you can definitely grab. I don't think so it have worked for me as a pore shrinking toner, as it is working very good as a toner. But if it comes to a pore shrinking toner, no, it does not work for me as of that. But as it claims, it is claiming to be sun damage, sun protection, and it is helping me to even out my skin. Yes, it does. It definitely does. It is really good. It does not come up with any sort of a pump or something like that. You get something like this, and you have to just pour it on your hand and apply it on your skin. That's it. I usually do it, take it on my hand and apply it all over, and that's what I do. Nothing much. Toner does not work for me in terms of like a pore shrinking toner. Is it helping me to evening out my skin? Yes, it definitely does. That what is one of the things which it claims for. It is really decent toner, but it does not shrink my pore, and it does not give me the illusion of shrinking my pore. So you are looking for something like that, definitely grab this up. It is okayish product from my side. You can definitely miss on this one. Last product which I tried from the brand is this one. This is a Robot Night Treatment Serum. I really like this one. Out of everything, I like the moisturizer and this one the most. I think ये एक retinol based ingredient है. Basically it's not an exact retinol. It is an alternative retinol recipe which is not irritating, and it will not give you any sort of harshness. That's what it claims for. I have used retinol in the past, so I don't think so it will if I use the retinol directly as well, it will give me any sort of a harmness because my skin is used to with it. So if you're looking for starting off with retinol, definitely go and grab this up. Photoretinol and reishi mushroom, which is a very good combination when it comes to removing the dullness and fine lines. And it does use the plant-based retinol, which is bakuchiol, which works with peptides to target the rough textures. This is how the serum looks like from inside. You get this glass bottle with a dropper. You have to get the product out like this. I really like the consistency of this product, guys. ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. If you are looking for a plant-based retinol, which is a bakuchiol, you can definitely grab this up. इसका consistency भी बहुत ही अच्छा है, बहुत ही unique सा है. Get this pink sort of a serum, which is really good. You just need to apply it after the toner, and you are good to go. And then apply the moisturizer. You will feel a difference within a week. I really like this one in terms of it because मेरे skin पे retinol बहुत ही अच्छे से सूट कर जाता है. I have been using bakuchiol for quite some time, and that's the reason retinol works on my skin really well. So if you're looking to start up with retinol, this is something which you should definitely use in night. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you like my honest opinions about this brand. I really like the few of the products, and few of them are missed for me. This is not at all a sponsored video. I have purchased everything with my own hard-earned money. So if you want to know more about any brand, please let me know what the next brand should I try. Until I see you next time, bye guys.